What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a quick, hopefully a quick raw vlog, due to the fact of I think it's my cooling fan in my laptop decided to stuff up, um, and I shouldn't, excuse me, I shouldn't be running my laptop basically without it. Oh, it still goes, but it makes a really vigorous noise, um, which you might hear bits of, but yeah, for the last couple of hours earlier today, um, like this morning before, yeah, that noise there, but that continues through the whole thing, through the whole use. It's now 3:23. So yeah, I started it this morning when I woke up. I always do. Alright, I've just that's the noise. Now the only way I can shut that up sometimes. No, it's not even working that way now. Right, with my laptop, if I change it from that basically to that and like tilt it towards me sort of thing, yeah, it will allow, that's what it was doing this morning, but it'll allow it to go quieter. But since it does this noise, that sounds like the fan's loose, I reckon. Sorry for that close up. Yeah, it sounds like the fan's loose. I shouldn't be running it while this is happening, but I want to, so then I can back everything up onto a hard drive and get all that sorted. But yeah, this is the annoying noise that happens. It kind of sucks really, because I need my laptop for things like job search, YouTube videos. I did have a video ready to go today. I was going to upload it this morning, but instead, yeah, this happened. But yeah, right. I'll pause the video. I'll be back in a second. Just going to test a couple of things. Alright, there we go. That's what I have to do. See how it's all pretty much vertical. That's how I have to sit it if I don't want it to scrape like it does. Now, this is a Sony Vaio VGN CS63GJ. They're pretty good laptops for more for like studying and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not too confident with opening it to get to the fan to change the fan myself. It would be a fair bit. It would be a fair bit more. It would be a fair bit. Sorry for coughing, stuttering, maybe yawning. But yeah, there we go. There's pretty much all my stuff. But yeah, if I sit it down, it's just gonna do that. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think it's either might be all the processors, like all the stuff that it has loading and all that sort of stuff in the background of the system. But I'm pretty sure the fan's loose. The blade on the fan is possibly loose. It does, the laptop does shut up completely like it has now. But yeah, it doesn't stay like that. And the only reason it's quiet now is because I've got it at this angle. Now, yeah, it sucks having to do this, but I might have to do what I might have to do to get it done. I don't think there should be any major deals with it. What I will do though is I'll check everything. I'll pause the video. I'll check everything. I'll check the processes, and yeah, I'll come back as soon as I can. Sorry for that lighting. I'll be back in a sec. By the looks of it, I've got about 110, 111, 112. It fluctuates a little bit. Sorry, had an itch. But yeah, it's around, give or take, around 115 processes going through. I'm not sure if I need them all, but I'm going to get rid of the ones I don't think I need running. I'll do a bit of research. Might actually turn the let the laptop turn off properly by itself. Usually the noise doesn't bug me, but it does when it's constant like that. So what I'm going to do, shit, my phone's about to lose charge. I've only got about 15%. I'm going to let that shut down. I'll upload this video while I'm waiting. Hold on. Yeah, I'll upload this video while that shuts down. It's pretty much tearing me apart to hear that noise. But not much I can do about it. I have looked around a little bit, and it's going to cost, just to get the fan replaced, it's going to be about 45, 46 bucks, something like that. Give or take around 50 bucks. Or close to 90 or 100 bucks to get the full service, which they recommend doing the full service first. There we go. They recommend doing the full service first, and then running the and then getting a new fan. Hold on just a second. I'll pause the video and get more lighting. There we go, I'm back. Not much more lighting, but I got that one and I got that one, so should be suffice. I'm only going to do a little bit longer of a recording just to explain and all that. phone's on charge out in the kitchen at the moment. But yeah, they've recommended that we try servicing the laptop first, and if need be, exchanging the fan for a new one later. But what I reckon the problem is just the pin or whatever it is that holds the blades on the to the motor on the fan. Yeah, I reckon it's just that. That's come loose, and it's got a lot of swivel in the blade itself. That's my only diagnosis, or whatever it is. But yeah, I might actually leave the video there. I'll see what I can do about this. I've got a few other things on my mind as well, which I'm not gonna bring anyone into it, so I won't say anything about it. I'll just say there's a fair bit on my mind. And yeah, so I'll see what I can do about getting the laptop fixed, or buy a new computer or something. And yeah, see how we go. I've got some other stuff to do, so I'm going to leave the video there. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to leave any feedback or any comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out for now, I guess. Catch ya.